The biggest issue with the regular Shizuku that we get from the Play Store is that we need to start it every time that our phone restarts. So we're going to be fixing that problem in this video. Download it from the given link down in the description below and install it. After installing the Shizuku from the given link, head over to your settings, then type build number and tap on it 7 times. After tapping it 7 times, it will unlock the developer options. So it might ask for your passcode, so give that. I've already enabled the developer options, so I'm just gonna go over there. You can find the developer options if you go back and go at the bottom of the settings. Here is the developer option. After you're here, open the developer option, head down and enable the wireless debugging. Then go back to the Shizuku app and open it. Once you're here, tap on the pairing options and it will ask to open the notification, so grant that permission. After that, click on the developer options. Once you're in here, tap on the paired device with pairing code. It will show you a code and also a notification will pop up in your notification bar. So memorize this code. The code will be different for you. Once you're done, go back into Shizuku. And after that, press on start. It should initialize and then start the Shizuku services. And you can see the Shizuku is running now. And to make this start every time you start your phone, you need to head over to this setting here, press on the start on boot. Also, you can press on this watchdog options here. It will notify you if your Shizuku ever crashes. And basically you're good to go. This Shizuku will initialize automatically in the background without needing to repair. Now all of your Shizuku apps will be running instantly once your phone starts. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and comment down your favorite Shizuku app down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.